Hi, this is Nalita Bissell, Miss B, teacher of students with visual impairments, and I'm just doing a quick video to show how to increase your mouse pointer to help all students using UDL, Universal Design and Learning, so that they can see the pointer better, but in particular, our students who have low vision, and to make it easier as teachers are using video conferencing and using the pointer to point to things on the screen, things they're asking the students to look at and things to read. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and what you're going to do is go to System Preferences, click on that, and then go to Accessibility, and you can see that I have a large mouse pointer. I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to Display. There's a lot of different accessibility features that you can do, but we're just going to concentrate on the cursor. So to get the mouse pointer, so mine is already on large. I'm just going to slide it down where it says cursor size, so you can see how small it can get. So this very small pointer is the normal size, but the bigger you make it, the larger it gets to be, and that makes it more accessible for the student and for everybody, even the teachers. I like it because I can quickly find something on the screen when I'm pointing it out to the students. So that is how you increase your pointer to make it accessible for everyone.